You guys like my braids? I did them myself. Kylo's a big girl now since her last hike.
Hi.
Hey, Papa. He's 6 months now. I haven't recorded a video in so long, but you know, here we are. KJ's excited.
Me too.
Going on a hike. It's our first family hike in Oki. Yes, it is. And Daddy's here. Well, that's our second one, but it's our first family. You ready, girl?
Yes. Go, Papa.
Oh, he's asleep. We're going to Takaki Waterfalls, and I'm excited. It's about 1 hour and 13 with tolls.
50 meters. Turn right.
We'll see. We gotta go to the gas station first. Got some snacks. High, Kylo. That's good. I don't know, Mom. What in the hell? There's nowhere to even. Oh, hell no. That's my tires up. Keep going.
They got no choice but to keep going. Where else you gonna go? Turn around and go back to somewhere you don't know where you're going? I gotta wait. Let's see.
Okay, we're going back. No, I got time to get lost.
Not going here?
Let's go that way.
That windy road that we took was not it. So Kenny had to do some more research so we could find the actual waterfall. You ready, Papa? It's actually nice out, but it's really windy, so you know.
I don't feel any wind right now.
I know it's probably about to get real hot. Giant spider. It was like a web across. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot to put the bug repellent. Oh my gosh.
There's no other way around for real.
Oh Lord.
We should have bought water shoes. Well, I don't know if they got them for her size, but we about to get wet. But I thought you knew that.
No, I didn't know it's like this. Are we doing it?
Kylo about to get soaking wet though.
Carlo, get on my back. I'll carry that. Carry your backpack on the front and put Carlo on your back.
I don't think we go that way though.
It says this way with the arrow that way.
I know, but look at the map. You put this on my front, you get on my back. No, come on. Right in front here. Lift you up right here. Right here, right? Now get on Daddy's back. Go. Okay, now hold on.
Carla, if you get wet, it's okay. You'll be okay.
Yeah. Feet might get a little wet, but that's fine.
Feet are soaked. Make sure you have some water shoes, which is sad, but we were just trying to be cheap. Soaked.
Yep, we do.
You like this, Papa? Adventure?
cross this. That's the screen. Talk to microphone. You gotta go back here.
This is fun. Our feet and our knees are wet, but this is fun. Just gotta be careful because it is slippery. 44 minutes into our walk. Our walk. We're going through these waters.
Little over half a mile. Little over half a mile in.
And he fell asleep. Kylo's been on Daddy's in his arms the whole time. Got our feet wet a little bit, but our legs are wet.
That's annoying. I was gonna pause and this one look.
I know, that's annoying.
That's something I don't like. Just let my drink go until I'm done.
I'm right here.
I think it's time to come out the hood a little bit.
It is kind of hot. But are you hot, Kylo? Or are you fine?
Hot.
You gonna take your hood off a little bit? There you go. You wanna take this off?
Yes.
You wanna take this off? If you take this off, you gotta put the hood on though.
Or at least put the pink one on.
Or yeah, put the other one on. This one right here. No, not that one. I got it right here.
Yeah, just that one.
It's over here.
Okay, bobbling all over the place. I'm gonna move him around. We made it! Oh my gosh. Woo! Woo! We made it! Wow, that's so cool. Who's getting in? Woo! We made it!
Kylo, we made it. Look at that view right there. I had to do a lot of carrying around here, but and look, they even got the rope. They got the rope. Splash in. Don't act shy now. You just marched all the way up here. How you feel? How you feel?
It's like that.
You've been trying to get me to come up here forever. We finally came.
Is he okay?
Yeah, let me look at it. KJ, when you old enough to remember this, understand one thing. You ain't do shit. You just laid there and let us carry you.
And Kylo. And she old enough to remember this too.
Yeah. Still love you, kid. Alright, go back to sleep.
Yay! We finally made it. Now we gotta figure out how we're gonna get back.
Look at her. Now she's trying to act all bashful like she wasn't excited to get up here.
We did it! Oh, it's another standing rock.
I really love that.
Yeah? You wanna go point to it? Just don't go in the water. You can walk over there, just don't get in the water.
No.
You're okay, baby. We finished our hike. I couldn't take you guys along with us the whole way because it was a lot of climbing. There was a lot of slippery rocks, water, you know, we aren't prepared as we should be. But we made it. How long did that take?
2 hours and something.
2 hours and some change.
A little over 2 hours.
A little over 2 hours. But it was fun. Kylo is look at her. You feel good? Now she can walk backwards even though Daddy carried her the whole way. I know he's ready to get out of this hot suit. Hot suit. Oops. There you go. I'm using my phone because I didn't want to carry.
That's for something we did a lot.
Yeah, I should just. Yeah. Papa, did you like it? I was ready to not even start. Look at that cute boat. Sort of cute. It's been real. Takaki Falls. Takaki Waterfalls.